Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I don't really know if I explained this very well the other day because I just kind of went through it pretty quickly, but why did I delete those videos? So just kind of wanted to talk about that for a second. So I guess I've gone back and forth, and I knew that, and actually talked to quite a few people to get some advisement, some perspective. But I probably would have left those. I mean, we have now over 8,000 subscribers here. And so there's a lot of traffic that comes here, and that's a pretty sophisticated topic that would be searched. And I just did not think it would be respectable to leave those videos there and just say, oh, it was a mistake. We're building a high quality product here. I mean, we have Code Dam coming out with our second course. And the reason why I didn't want to delete it is because I haven't deleted any videos before, and I wasn't going to start now. And I really had to challenge myself and think about the quality of the product. So I just wanted to really kind of share, because I think I glossed over it. And anybody coming here and finding these videos, it could be disconcerting to them that would be their first impression. And I just did not think that was a best foot to put forward. So I just wanted to really go in and take a few minutes and explain this. And so I didn't want my pride of not, because at first I thought it was going to be prideful to delete it. But then I really decided and thought more about it after talking to some people, that it was prideful to not delete it, because I didn't want to have any videos that I had published and then not pull them down. So there we go, guys. Just wanted to take a minute to really explain my reasoning a little bit more. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the awesome support. And I am going to be redoing those videos very soon. But thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.